6th, 5th नहीं है दीप आपको 5
सर 5th 6th और 8th
ओके Question number 1. Show that the following matrices are symmetric matrices. इसमें कैसे क्या डाउट है मतलब इसमें एक मैट्रिक्स दिया है 2 3 3 11 एक मैट्रिक्स दिया है आपको शो करना है ये सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है तो बस इसका ट्रांसपोज कर दो इसका ट्रांसपोज फाइंड करो तो ट्रांसपोज होगा 2 3 3 11 and as this transpose is equals to this as transpose is equal to the matrix ये हो गया सिमेट्रिक बस इतना ही करना है ट्रांसपोज बता दो इसे इक्वल है वो सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स हो गया क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 if B is a skew symmetric matrix write whether the matrix A B A dash is symmetric or skew symmetric ठीक है तो सबसे पहले whenever they are giving anything any information in words पहले उसको write in equation form as B is a skew symmetric matrix it is B equals to minus B equals to its transpose skew symmetric matrix means negative of B is equals to its transpose of B question में they are asking what will be A B A dash मतलब AT A B A dash का मतलब हो गया A B A transpose what will be this let's see अब इस माइनस को आप यहां भी भेज सकते हो B is equals to minus B transpose minus B is BT मतलब B will be minus BT so instead of B मैं यहां पे लिख सकता हूं minus B transpose minus B transpose minus अब आगे लिख लो so this will be A B transpose A transpose अब हमने ट्रांसपोज में एक फॉर्मूला पढ़ी है अभी आपके लिए न्यू टॉपिक है बट ये आपकी हैबिट हो जानी चाहिए कि whenever there are two transposes A transpose B transpose तो उसका मतलब हो जाता है BA का ट्रांसपोज उल्टा कर देना है you have to change the position so यहाँ पे we have B transpose A transpose so this will be AB transpose B transpose A transpose का मतलब होता है AB transpose अब यहां से क्या करेंगे और क्या दिया if B is this okay पहले इमेजिन करते हैं दो चीजें पूछी है हमें यहाँ पे कि सिमेट्रिक होगा या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक राइट अगर ये एक 1 मिनट it's symmetric or skew symmetric so let's first check what will be its transpose what will be the transpose of this matrix so A B A transpose entire transpose पहले हम check कर लेंगे because if we don't know what its transpose will look like then even if we are having the answer we won't be able to confirm so A transpose how to apply this how to apply transpose to 3 matrix because for 2 we have this rule if we are having 2 matrices then उनका जो transpose होता है invert हो जाता है okay let's check here so when we are having 3 matrices consider 2 of them as a group 2 of them consider them as a group so let's say if I consider AB as a group so I'll be having AB A transpose whole transpose when I apply transpose what will happen the position will invert A transpose पे transpose लग जाएगा and AB पे transpose लग जाएगा AB as a group and A transpose as another matrix and whole of it is having a transpose. So AB transpose आगे लिख दिया, A transpose का transpose पीछे. And we have also understood there's another property, transpose. Transpose is again the same matrix. So transpose ka transpose again A and AB transpose. Again we will be applying the rule because you are having two matrices और ऊपर transpose है. So this will become B transpose A transpose. B transpose A transpose. If we get this answer, please understand what we are doing. आपने क्या किया अब तक? सिर्फ जो क्वेश्चन में आपके पास एक मैट्रिक्स दिया है, चेक A B A ट्रांसपोज इज सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. अब तक हमने सिर्फ इतना चेक किया है कि अगर ये सिमेट्रिक है या फिर इसका ट्रांसपोज है, व्हाट विल बी इट्स ट्रांसपोज लुकिंग लाइक. सो आई एम जस्ट फाइंडिंग इट्स ट्रांसपोज. A B A ट्रांसपोज का ट्रांसपोज आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू फाइंड इट. सो व्हाट आई डिड, एक ग्रुप बना के फाइनली वी आर हैविंग दिस स्टेप. नाउ if you compare these two steps, अगर आप ये दोनों स्टेप को कंपेयर करो, it is very clear ये नेगेटिव ऑफ ट्रांसपोज है. This is your transpose, sorry, this is your matrix and this is its transpose. And यहाँ पे आपके पास जो आंसर आ रहा है इसका नेगेटिव आ रहा है. That means ये एक स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है. उसको लिखेंगे कैसे वो मसला very confusing, तो उसको एक you can name it. What is the given information? We have a matrix B which is a skew symmetric matrix, so B will be minus BT. Minus BT. Now you have to check A. Another question. ABAT. ABAT. We'll just name it. Let's say we name it C. A B A transpose matrix. Just name उसको एक नाम दे दो, so it will be easy to address. So I have named it C. Now we'll find C transpose. I'm just finding C transpose. What will be the value of C transpose? A B A transpose का transpose. So I'll be having, यहाँ पे मैंने group बनाया A B A T T. Then when I apply this transpose, order will change. A transpose transpose and A B transpose. Transpose will cancel out. A and यहाँ पे AB transpose. Then again when we apply transpose, order position will change. B transpose A transpose. We have not solved anything. We have just found out. क्योंकि अगर आपको चेक करना है एक गिवन मैट्रिक्स सिमेट्रिक है या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक, दोनों कंडीशन में आपको पहले उसका ट्रांसपोज पता होना चाहिए. You should be aware कि इसका ट्रांसपोज, how will it transpose look like. So this is a given matrix and this is its transpose. Now we will use the given information. हमारा matrix is C is A B A transpose. A B A transpose. Instead of B, I'll write minus B transpose. Instead of B, I'll write minus of B transpose. Minus can be written outside. I'm having this thing. If you look carefully, what is this? Minus will remain as it is. A B transpose A transpose. This will become C transpose. Now, as C is negative of its transpose, therefore C is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, the given what was C? A B A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So that was question number, I think, 5th. Now moving to 6th. If A is any square matrix, then show that. ये तो हमने कल प्रूव किया. This is a theorem जो हमने कल पूरी प्रूव करी थी, and exactly वही question. Same theorem का जो proof था. You are having a matrix A, which is a square matrix, and you have to prove that it is sum of two matrices. One of them is a symmetric matrix, and another part is skew symmetric. So what you can do? Write this A as 2A by 2. Then separate. This is A plus A by 2. Add and subtract A transpose. Add and subtract A transpose. Now make two different groups. A plus AT by 2 and A minus AT by 2. Make two separate groups. Now A plus AT. As a whole, A plus AT, we already know any matrix when added to its transpose will give a symmetric matrix. It's a symmetric matrix. So even if we are applying half to it, it will remain symmetric. A minus A by T is a skew symmetric matrix. Any matrix when subtracted from its transpose will give you a skew symmetric. It's a property. So even its half will be a skew symmetric matrix. This is symmetric, this is skew symmetric, and you can clearly see we have sum of these two things. Hence proof. आपको ये बताना था कि इन दोनों का सम है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next कौन सा डाउट था? 10th.
Nine.
9. Okay. Show that B transpose AB is a symmetric. The same है. 9th is similar to your 5th one. चलो try करते हैं. B transpose AB. This is given. Show that this is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. That means in the question they are saying if A is symmetric, then this will be symmetric. If A is skew symmetric, this will be skew symmetric. ये show करना है. So the 5th question था उसमें ही if you make small changes, मतलब you have to take two cases. Case 1, let A be symmetric. As it is symmetric, A will be equal to its transpose. Now, you have to prove that BTAB is also a symmetric matrix. So let's first name it. So now there is C. Now, अगर ये C है, तो इसका ट्रांसपोज क्या होगा? BTABT. और यहाँ पे we are having three matrices. You cannot apply transpose. You have to make pair of two. So let's group. Let's make a group. AB का एक group बना दिया. Now B transpose का भी transpose. But you have to change the position and AB will be written in the front part. Now when we apply transpose here, again the positions will change. Achha, don't apply here. Just leave it here itself. AB transpose, B transpose ka transpose is B. And even if I apply it, so B transpose, A transpose B. This is nothing but transpose of C. This is just transpose of C. अब आपको क्या करना है? A transpose A जो है वो A transpose के बराबर है. अभी this is not part of, this is not step of your sum. What you have done, you have just calculated how C transpose will look like, nothing else. Value of C is B transpose AB. Substitute A as A transpose. If you clearly see it is equal. What was this? C transpose. Hence it is proved that if A is a symmetric matrix, then C will BTAB, that will also be a symmetric matrix. And similarly, if you take minus of A transpose and when you substitute value here, आप जब A की जगह AT जब put करेंगे, you will write minus A, minus AT. So minus BT ATB. As this is negative of CT, prove हो जाएगा it's skew symmetric. But you have to take two different cases. एक साथ नहीं करना है. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubts in 10th?
Well,
10th पे डालना ना. Okay, let's discuss. I think it's a objective time. No.
सर 10th का सेकंड.
10th का second. 10th पूरा ही कर लेते हैं. I think my को doubt था. If A is any square matrix, show that AAT and ATA are symmetric. A is a matrix. A into AT. So whenever you are having more than one matrix, first give a name to it. Let A into AT be equals to B. A into AT be equals to B. What will be its transpose? Transpose of B will be A into AT whole transpose. When you apply transpose, order will change. Order will change. Transpose will become again A, and ये हो जाएगा AT transpose. If you look carefully, value for B and value for B transpose is same. Value of B and B transpose is same. That means your B is a symmetric matrix. So AAT is symmetric. And similarly, you can prove for second one. When you are having reverse of this, A transpose A, वो भी इसी तरह से prove कर लेते हैं. This was first of 10th. Now, second.
सर हम वैल्यू लेके भी कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, वैल्यू रख के नहीं कर सकते. No, not allowed. Because whenever you have to prove something as false, मतलब आपको एक statement को false prove करना है, then the statement is sufficient. Even if you make it false, अगर आप उसको false prove करते तो एक particular value के लिए, it can be considered as a false statement. But it is not true for whenever you have to prove a statement true, you cannot take one example and prove it will be true for all. That is not allowed. ये मैंने आपको पहले 10th में ही बताया था.
सर ABCD लेके कर सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ, वो फिर भी अलाउड है. या यू कैन डू दैट. आप वेरिएबल्स लेके कर सकते हैं, नंबर्स लेके नहीं अलाउड है. बट फिर भी दिस इज प्रेफर्ड, दिस मेथड इज प्रेफर्ड. एंड वंस यू आर थरो विद दिस, आपको भी ये इजी लगेगी. इट विल टेक लेस टाइम. If A is any symmetric matrix, show that A raised to n is also a symmetric matrix. Now, as I told you, यहाँ पे क्या है? n है. PMI use होगा. You have to use PMI. If A is any symmetric matrix, so A is equals to its transpose. Question में mention है. If A is a symmetric matrix, show that. Okay, very easy. Prove A raised to n. You have to prove that A raised to n is also symmetric. मतलब आपको prove करना है A raised to n equals to A raised to n transpose. ये आपको prove करना है for all the n belongings to natural number. You have to prove it. Okay, so let's start with 1. Let value of n be 1. When value of n is 1, A raised to 1 equals to A. Sorry, you have to prove it now. LHS A raised to 1. RHS A raised to 1 raised to t. So it will be A raised to t. In question, they have already mentioned it's a symmetric matrix. So AT is already equals to A. So you can write AT as A. LHS is equals to RHS, hence n equals to 1 is true. Then you will consider n equals to k to be true. N equals to k को true मानेंगे. Let n equals to k be true. So A raised to k equals to A raised to k raised to transpose. We'll consider it to be true. Let's see. अच्छा, one more property we have learned. You can interchange these things. आप transpose को अंदर भेज के k, you can write outside. To prove n equals to k plus 1. You have to prove that n equals to k plus 1 is true. Therefore, A raised to k plus 1 equals to A raised to k plus 1 whole raised to t. You have to prove that this here LHS and RHS will be equal. So starting from LHS, A raised to k plus 1, which can be written as A raised to k into A. Value for A raised to k is A raised to K whole transpose. A raised to K is A raised to K whole transpose, and here I'm writing A. Again, A is nothing but A transpose. So this can be written as A raised to K transpose into A transpose. Both of them are having transpose. If you want to write a common transpose, the position will inverse, position will change. So this will become A into A raised to K whole transpose. Both of them are having transpose. तो हमने क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे? We have changed the position. A आगे A के पीछे. Now A into A K will be A raised to K plus 1 whole transpose. And this is what we have to prove equals to RHS and prove. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third and fourth. If A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB plus BA is symmetric. A and B both are of same order and they are symmetric. So you have to prove AB plus BA. So A will be A transpose, B will be B equal to B transpose because both are symmetric. अब हमें prove करना है for AB plus BA. AB plus BA. Okay. Now मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया whenever you have to prove it's symmetric or skew symmetric पहले आपको इसका transpose निकालना पड़ेगा and before that इसको name कर दो एक. That will become easy. Let C be equals to this. Now transpose of C. So AB plus BA whole transpose. Addition में you can simply apply. AB transpose plus BA transpose. ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है कि बीच में अगर सम है, nothing you can apply the transpose. Now यहाँ पे अगर आप ट्रांसपोज अप्लाई करोगे, so it will be BT AT and यहाँ पे AT BT. Now A is equals to AT and B equals to BT. And AT is A and BT is B. So C की ये वैल्यू है and C ट्रांसपोज में BA plus AB है. BA plus AB लिखो या AB plus B लिखो. आपको मैंने पहले बताया इन मैट्रिक्स के एडिशन में you can change the position. Addition over addition is commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. You can change the position of this to entire matrix. So it will become AB plus BA. If you look carefully, this is equals to this C. So C transpose equals to C. Therefore, ये prove हो गया symmetric. ये prove हो गया symmetric. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब इसका fourth negative. Fourth वाले में क्या? Again, A is symmetric, B is symmetric. Both the matrices are symmetric, and you have to prove AB minus BA is skew symmetric. आपको prove करना है AB minus BA is skew symmetric. ये मैट्रिक्स लिख दिया. इसका ट्रांसपोज देखो कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ माइनस ही तो है. तब बता. ठीक है. अब एडिशन में देयर वाज नो प्रॉब्लम. 4 plus 5 5 plus 4 कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है. लेकिन 5 minus 4 and 4 minus 5 you cannot change the order as you want, because in next subtraction you will get a different answer. तो यहाँ पे you have to take minus common. If you take minus common, you will be getting AB minus BA. Look carefully. Addition में you can change the position, it won't matter. Answer will be same. But in subtraction you have to change the order. If you are changing the order, you have to write a minus outside. This entire thing is C. So minus C. CT equals to minus C. Therefore, it's skew symmetric. First thing in this sums you require confidence होगा तो आप start कर पाओगे, नहीं तो आपको समझ नहीं आएगा how to start. थोड़ा एक लॉजिक डेवलप करो, जो भी मैट्रिक्स को प्रूव करना है सिमेट्रिक या स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक. तो सबसे फर्स्ट थिंग, सिमेट्रिक का मतलब that matrix is equals to its transpose. First you should be aware how its transpose will look like, only then you can comment will it be equal or not. So first name it, find its transpose. Automatically using this information you will find out the answer, it's symmetric or not. Any other doubts? Acha, exercise khatam ho gayi. Great. Moving to second part, MCQs. Tell me your doubts from MCQs.
Sir, third.
Third one. Okay. The number of all possible matrices. ये तो बहुत important question है. ये भी textbook का question है. The number of all possible matrices of 3 cross 3 with each entry of 0 or 1. या तो 0 हो सकता है या 1 हो सकता है. Actually, this is a question from permutation combination. If you look carefully, 11th में आपने जो पढ़ा है उससे related है. You have a 3 cross 3 matrix. In 3 cross 3 matrices, there are 9 positions. In question, they have mentioned that each position can be 0 or 1. So, how many options are there? 2 options. Each position is having 2 options. Each position is having 2 options, right? अपने permutation combination में किया हुआ हमने ये चीज. Now, how to find total possibilities? So how many 2s are there? ये सब multiply. सब multiply. मैं आपको वापस एक जनरल आइडिया देता हूँ. आपको अगर 4 cross 4, 3 cross 3 heavy लग रहा है, take an example of 2 cross 2. 2 cross 2 में possible matrices देखो by using only 0 and 1, so you will be getting 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. इसमें भी कितने हो गए बताए? 2 2 4 4 16 ऐसे मैट्रिक्स बनेंगे. 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. कितने हो गए? अच्छा फिर 3 0 3 1s and 0 3 1s and 0 3 1s and 0 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Still one particular matrix is repeating. 2 2 r. So ये 16 possibilities है, but no need to draw everything. How can we find out easily? So first draw the matrix 2 cross 2. Number of possibilities at this location, 0 and 1 are allowed. Number of possibilities at this position, number of possibilities at this position, and number of possibilities at this position. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. There are total 16 possibilities. In the current question, you are having 3 cross 3. Each position can have 2 different inputs. If you multiply all of them, it will be 2 raised to 9. 2 getting multiplied by itself 9 times, so 2 raised to 9, 2 raised to 9, it will be 5 1 2. Therefore, the answer will be 5 1 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
एक NCERT का टेक्स्ट बुक में
Question number 14.
yes ma'am.
The question number 14.
14. Okay. If A and B are 2 matrices such that AB equals to B and BA equals to A, then prove that then find out A square plus B square is equals to. Okay. AB equals to B, BA equals to A. Then we have to find value of A square plus B square. Let's see A square plus B square क्या होगा. Let's see. Okay. जो values है वो substitute कर दो, nothing else. This is A whole square. This is B whole square. Are we having any value for A? क्या question में कोई A की value given है? Yes. Substitute.
B into A.
So BA and A B की जगह AB. When you apply square, this will be B square A square, and this will be A square B square. क्या और कोई option है? ऐसा कोई option? So the four options which we are having, उसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. अब आप देखो ये तो मैट्रिक, ये जो यहाँ पे जो गिवन है ना, वो इसके खुद के ही अंदर वैल्यूज पुट कर सकते हैं. सी AB equals to A, AB is equal, sorry, AB equals to B. Now what you can do, A की वैल्यू जो गिवन है यहाँ पुट, देखते हैं क्या होता है. और सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ A, I'll be getting B है. BAB equals to B. Now if you look carefully, that's a अलग question है. Wait. Another thing which we can do is, this can be written as A plus B whole square minus AB minus B. We can do this. A plus B whole square क्या होता है? A square plus B square. And central terms में आप 2AB नहीं लिख सकते. You have to write AB and B है. But I am subtracting because I need only A square B square. देखो हमें अलग अलग ऑप्शंस हम ट्राई करेंगे, राइट? ऑप्शंस क्या है मैं चेक करता हूं. So the four options are 2AB, 2BA, A plus B and AB. Something which I understand. कुछ तो यहाँ पे है जो मिस आउट हो रहा है. ओके, एक और मेथड ट्राई कर लेते हैं. A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर, A को लिख सकते हैं A into A and B can be written as B into B. Now this A can be written as BA, done. Plus this B can be written as AB. Now again AB, what is AB? B. And what is BA? BA, A. ऑप्शन है BA plus. No. हाँ, done. Now BA. What is BA? A. And what is AD? B. Done. It was a very good question. See, एक बार वापस सुन लो. A square plus B square. This A square can be written as A into A, and B square can be written as B into B. Okay. This A is having a value of BA. So A की जगह आपने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया B, and यहाँ पे B की वैल्यू आप सब्स्टिट्यूट कर रहे हो. वैल्यू ऑफ B is AB. So instead of this B, आपने वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी AB. Now make a pair here. This AB I am writing as B, and यहाँ पे जो BA है that can be written as A. Now this BA is A and AB is B. What? अच्छा क्वेश्चन था. Clear?
Yes, sir. Question number 22.
22. तो इम्पोर्टेंट मार्क कर दो. ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन था एंड एग्जाम में प्रेशर में समझ में आया ही नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. If A की वैल्यू is 111, what will be A raised to 100? ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. I have seen this question in lot of exams. Value of A, matrix A, 1 1 1 1.